to earn free AC. First, go to AQWorks or AQ.com. Now, when you're here, pick Adventure Coin. Now, there are 3 ways to earn Adventure Coins. First, AE Extras. Second, download the Battle Bar. And third, Ballyhoo. In Ballyhoo, you have 1% chance to earn AC and 99% to earn coin or gold. I prefer AE Extras. Log in your account. Password. After you log in successfully, this page will show up. Sorry. You can pick anything you want. So I will. So, 10,964 AC. That's big. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.